Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok access denied. To know how to to know how to fix or how to solve TikTok access denied, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here on this page, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Then this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click on storage. After that, we click clear cache. You can go to Play Store. You'll find there in this blue sign update and you can click to update your app. Sorry. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.